While timelines tend to display events in sequential date order, they usually lack the capability of linking events together. In a very simple timeline that covers a single set of events, it might be easy to see the relation between the events, what events led to what other event. However, in a more complex timeline, one that covers numerous set of events, for example, one that covers the history of the United States, correlating between events, that is which one led to which other one becomes more difficult. The cause-to-effect feature of Istoriam provides means to address that need. An example will demonstrate how this feature works and the value it adds to a timeline. Let's assume that you are building a timeline of events that led to World War II. And for now, you have added the events currently displayed in this example. The timeline shows that the Treaty of Versailles took place after the Paris Peace Conference. The same for the San Remo, Boulogne and Spa conferences. But only the Treaty of Versailles and the San Remo Conference were the outcome of the Paris Peace Conference. It is not easy to see that by simply looking at the events in sequential order. This is where the cause-to-effect come into play. Note though that the cause-to-effect feature is not part of the basic package of the application. It has to be bought separately. However, you can try it for 30 days before you purchase it. To keep this tutorial short, some cause-to-effect relationship have already been configured. The idea is to show a connection between the Paris Peace Conference and the Treaty of Versailles and the San Remo Conference and possibly other events. Next to the Paris Peace Conference there is a new right-pointing arrow icon. This icon is used to indicate a cause relation, that is, the Paris Peace Conference caused some other events to take place. Right-clicking on that icon opens a popover window, the caused event window, that lists the events that were caused by the conference. In this example there are 3 events: the Treaty of Versailles, the San Remo Conference and the Treaty of Sèvres. Conversely, a left-pointing arrow icon is used to indicate an effect relation, that is, the event is the effect of another event or was caused by it. So we can see a left-pointing arrow icon next to the Treaty of Versailles. Right-clicking on that arrow will also open a popover window, the effect event window, that lists the events that caused or resulted with this treaty. In our example, that would be the Paris Peace Conference. Now the Treaty of Sèvres led to the Treaty of Lausanne, so we have a similar cause-to-effect relation between the two events. Finally, it has been argued that the severity of the Treaty of Versailles contributed to the rise of Nazism in Germany, which, for our example, made it cause the Anschluss. The Anschluss led to the Munich Conference and so on. The historical accuracy of the example might not be perfect, but that is not the purpose of this tutorial. While right-clicking on the arrow icon shows the causes and effects events, they do not provide an end-to-end view. For such a view, a different window is used which is opened by clicking on the window icon available in either popover windows. This opens the chain of events window that display the relationship created between the records, starting with the record from which the window was opened through the full cause-to-effect chain. You have full access to the data associated with a record in that window, such as the description, URLs, locations, etc., but you cannot edit or delete a record in that window. Now that we have some understanding of the value of the cause-to-effect feature, let's see how to create those relationships between events. For the sake of our example, let's assume that we want to add the Boulogne conferences to the list of events the Paris Peace Conference caused. To create that relationship, left-click and hold on the Paris Peace Conference record. And then drag the mouse to the Boulogne Conference's record. Release the mouse once over that record. An arrow line will appear showcasing the new requested relation. Click on Confirm to create the connection. Checking the list of events caused by the Paris Peace Conference will now show the Boulogne conferences added to the list. If you determined later that this is an incorrect association, you can select that link and delete the connection. Finally, the eye icon in both popover windows will display an arrow line between the cause and effect records. It is mainly to help finding a related record is a large and complicated timeline. We believe that the cause-to-effect feature offers unique capabilities to explain and highlight the sequence of events in a historical timeline that are difficult to determine in a regular timeline display.